If you're looking for an effective and easy-to-use cleaning tool that can wipe away messes on your floors, read our review of the best spin mops on Amazon. A spin mop is an effective cleaning tool with a round and absorbent head that's wrung out using a spinning mechanism. In this review, the This Old House Reviews team outlines the best spin mops on Amazon and details our experience using each product during our in-depth testing process. The products included in this article are available at various home improvement stores and online retailers like Amazon. There are many products to choose. Cleaning products: the 5 best spin mops, all with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I conducted extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the top 5 bucket floor cleaning system from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. You can find out more about the price and other details in my description, so let's jump right into the video. Number 1. Cedar Easywring Spin Mop and Bucket System. The Cedar Easywring Spin Mop and Bucket System is a smart twist on a traditional string mop. It comes with a special bucket with a pedal-powered compartment that spins water out of your mop, making it quick and easy to wring out water and dirt. In our testing, we found the mop works quickly and efficiently on large spills, soaking up any liquids readily. It performed equally well when used to pick up dry paprika, thanks to its microfiber strands, and earned a 5-star rating for effectiveness. Our testers liked that it was easy to maneuver around obstacles, like a chair leg, and said they actually much preferred it in comparison to the traditional rectangular-style mop head. Our biggest complaint with this mop is that grit and grime get stuck in the head, making it hard to clean out once you're done mopping. However, the heads are machine washable, so you can let your washing machine take care of the hard part, if needed. In addition, our tester gave this mop a 4.5-star rating for overall value, because they weren't sure how long it was made to last. That being said, the price point is great for what you'll get, including an adjustable handle that can be extended up to 51 inches. Number 2. Osheng Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set. The Osheng mop is everything a cleaning tool should be. It excels on virtually all types of flooring, cleaning up both wet and dry messes with ease, and it comes with an intuitive bucket that wrings out the head for you. Our testers couldn't say enough good things about the top-notch design and performance of this helpful set, and gave it a 5-star rating for effectiveness, maneuverability, and value. They noted the flat mop was able to clean up the fruit punch, barbecue sauce, damp soil, and dried paprika thoroughly and all, without requiring too much effort. This mop comes with 3 washable microfiber pads that can be used wet or dry. The unique bucket has 2 compartments, one for your water and soap, and one for wringing it out. The microfiber pads attach via Velcro, and our testers loved that it was easy to set up and extremely low maintenance. The only real downside we could find was that the mop takes longer than others to break down. The bucket, while absolutely essential to its functionality, according to our tester, needs to be emptied and washed, and the mop pad also needs to be wrung out. In addition, the bucket needs to be refilled a bit more often, but is ultimately great for storing the mop in your home. All in all, this mop is a stellar addition to any cleaning closet, and our testers' favorite that they tested in the lab by far. This mop was pretty close to perfect, they said, additionally noting, "I would buy this mop," which says a lot, because I don't think I've ever purchased a mop in my life. You can count on it be a great option for all floors in any home, thanks to its versatile and gentle cleaning pad. Number 3. Worthland Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set. Superior hand-free system. Keeps your hands away from dirty. The whole process takes only a few seconds. Made of high-quality stainless steel, light and durable. 360 degrees rotating head for those hard-to-reach areas. Suitable for all types of flooring, windows, and other surfaces. Superior cleaning system. Plastic teeth are used to remove hair and pieces of trash, and white bristles are used to remove dust from the mop, which makes mopping cleaner, easier, and less time-consuming. Equipped with a movable inner bucket, which is more convenient for receiving and pouring water and cleaning after use. Newly designed drainage system to reduce the secondary backflow of sewage. Upgraded dry scraper, with double layer and larger size. Through the full squeeze with the mop pads, there are fewer water stains on the floor, and the floor dries faster. Comes with 4 microfiber mop pads for free. We use quality mop pad material. Extremely soft, thick and durable fabric, super absorbent. All are machine washable, enough for your lifetime use. Number 4. Yocada Looped End String Wet Mop Heavy Duty. Our looped end string wet mop head refill replacement can also be used on other looped end string wet mops. Our looped end string wet mop head refill replacement can also be used on other looped end string wet mops. Unlike cotton, blended, or synthetic yarns that have one cleaning surface per fiber, microfiber's thousands of cleaning surfaces remove 4 times more dirt than conventional cotton productions that basically push the dirt and soil on the surface. The package includes 1 mop head refill replacements. Soft on all surfaces. Use this mop to clean all types of surface areas, including home wooden floors, kitchen floors, restaurant floors, bathroom floors, garages, warehouses, offices, decks, tile floors, marble floors, and hardwood. Our Yocada brand is registered, and it has large factories to support, so if you encounter any problem while using the product, please feel free to contact our support team. We would sincerely serve you. Soft on all surfaces. Use this mop to clean all types of surface areas, including home wooden floors, kitchen floors, restaurant floors, bathroom floors, garages, warehouses, offices, decks, tile floors, marble floors, and hardwood. Number 5. 4-pack replacement mop heads compatible with spin mop. Cheap cleaning cloths. Buy quality home and garden directly from China suppliers. 4-pack mop replacement head, microfiber mop refills, mop replacement heads, microfiber mop refills, mop replacement heads for spin mop. Easy cleaning mop head. Made of 100% high quality microfiber strands, soft and absorbent, won't scratch the surfaces you are cleaning. 2 additional microfiber cloths included. Durable and machine washable, can remove and absorb tough dirt and grime effortlessly. 4-pack mop replacement heads can last for 1 year use. Perfect replacement mop head for spin mop system. Inner triangular rim size 3.9 and the outer triangular rim size 5.7 in diameter. Best for smooth surface floor, such as wooden floors, ceramic tile, laminate floors, marble floors and other sealed hard floors. Also can wash car. This spin mop was the top performer in our series of tests with its lightweight water bucket and absorbent microfiber head. The spin mop led or was tied for first in 4 out of the 7 testing categories. It absorbed the thick liquid in our soda spot cleaning test with ease, showcasing its thick and effective head. The mop was also a top performer in all 3 cleaning tests, applying an even layer of cleaning solution to our testing area. If for any reason you are not completely satisfied with the product, just let us know, we'll be happy to help you out. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribers my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will